The Magical Fairy's Gift by Maywish Ashraf. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Gul who lived with her aunt after her parents died in a small town. Unlike her parents, Aunt always beat her on different small matters. Aunt did not give her enough food to eat. Although she went to school and studied in class 4, she was not allowed to play with any of her friends after school. Aunt was so strict about all the home chores. Gul did all the home chores alone, and if she did anything wrong on that day, Aunt did not give her dinner. She was a pretty girl, but due to a lack of food, she became weak and pale. Despite all of this, Gul remained kind and optimistic. She would often spend her days singing and dreaming of a better life. One day, her aunt's cousin, Sarah, came to the town to visit them. She was wise, wealthy, and loyal. At the dinner table, the aunt stated that after her sister it is difficult to manage the educational expenses and other expenses of her niece, as she is a widow and nobody is here to support her. Aunt Sarah watched and listened to all the circumstances keenly and did not tell anything to her cousin's sister about the matter. At midnight she went into Gul's room and found her awake and busy with her studies. Suddenly Aunt Sarah uttered some magical words and turned into a magical fairy who granted her 3 wishes. Gul wished for a loving family, a warm home, and plenty of food to eat. The fairy granted her wishes. The next morning Aunt Sarah left home and Gul thought it was her dream, but soon, a kind couple came to adopt Sarah as their daughter. They gave her a warm and loving home, and she was never hungry again. Sarah was overjoyed and spent the rest of her days surrounded by love and happiness. The moral of the story is that even in the darkest of times, kindness and positivity can lead to a happy ending.